Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to set up an MCP server and talk to my cloud infrastructure. Imagine asking question to your cloud like which resources are currently running, show me the top 10 most expensive resources, which are the idle resources that I can shut down to save money, and how much you have spent yesterday. And without opening any dashboard, your AI assistant answer this all for you. In this video, I'm going to set up an Zomnight MCP server and connect it to an AI assistant like Cloud Code or Cursor and start talking to the cloud infrastructure across AWS, Azure, and GCP. You can also do it if you have a multiple cloud setup as well. Not only talking to your infrastructure, you can also take action using MCP. There are some tools which provide write access as well, like Zobnight MCP. And in this video, I'm going to use Zobnight MCP. Before we begin, let's quickly understand what MCP is. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. Think of it as a standard way for AI assistant to connect with external tools and services. A common analogy will be a USB cable which we use to connect to a different devices. Similarly, MCP lets AI assistant to connect to different application through one protocol. Instead of AI answering from training data, it can securely access live information and even perform actions using tool exposed by MCP server. So in our case, we are going to use Zobnight MCP, and once you connect the Zobnight MCP with AI assistant, you can check your cloud inventory, check cloud cost, even you can check the active schedules, your cost of running resources. You can manage the cloud schedules. You can apply overrides, and you can also check the budgets that you have. And it all depends on the permission that you grant while making the Zobnight MCP token. The best part is that it works across multiple cloud providers and multiple cloud accounts. Whether your infrastructure is spread across AWS, Azure, or GCP, you can interact with everything from one conversation while still keeping access secure through scope permission. So let's set it up. So you have to come to zob.dev, and if you don't have account, you can sign in with your Gmail and you can make a new account. It's completely free. So once you logged in, you have to click on Zob Night and you will land on this page. There are a bunch of features here, but we have to use MCP. For that, you have to click on this profile and you have to go to developer setting. So we have to make MCP token that we are going to integrate with our cloud code. Click on developer settings. So here you can see there are already some tokens which I had used earlier, but I'll create a new token. You can give the token name. So let me give it test cloud. You have to set the expiry. So I'll set it for like, let's say 90 days. And here you can also give the right capabilities. So once you give this right capabilities, you can use this MCP server to take action directly using your AI assistant. So for budget, I'll say I'm giving the create access. I'm giving the edit access as well. You can give the schedule access, edit access, and you can also give access to delete the schedule. So once you do this, you can create token. Now it will generate a personal access token for you. You have to copy this token and also this service URL and paste it somewhere because you will not be able to see this again. So let me copy this. Now let's connect the MCP server. Open your preferred AI assistant. I'll use Cloud Code, but the same idea works with other MCP compatible clients as well. Now I'll start a new session at Cloud Code. You have to provide the Zobnight service URL that you have copied and your pet, and ask Cloud Code to connect to Zobnight MCP server. That's all. Once this connection is successful, Cloud Code will confirm that the MCP server has been connected. So you have to just wait for that. So I have pasted here the service URL and path and ask the Cloud Code to connect to Zopnight MCP. So here I can see the Zopnight MCP server is connected. Now I can ask any question and talk to my cloud infrastructure. Let me ask some question like what resources are currently running, and let's see what answers it gives. Just allow all the permission checks. And here you can see it has given me some answers. So you have 4 running resources in Zob Tech team, and it has given me which are the resource type, their name, and the size of the resources. So this is that easy. Let me ask them another question and let's see what answer it gives. Let me ask a question that which idle resources can I shut down to save money? And let's see what answer it is giving me. Again, you have to allow the permission checks. So here it started giving me the answer. So it is showing all the resources name and showing me the recommendation that these are the idle resources which I can shut down to save money. And let me ask one more question to it. Let me ask one more question, how much I have spent yesterday. Let's see what answer it is giving. So it started showing me the result. So it is giving me date and saying that single day range came back empty. So it has widened the window and has showed me the data like July 30 I've spent like $5, July 31 I have spent $4. This way it is showing me. So that's it. This completely changed how you interact with your cloud infrastructure. Instead of navigating multiple dashboard and filtering resources, you can directly take answer by talking to your AI assistant. And not only answer you, I can also take action from here. I can attach a schedule to the resources which are costing me more directly using the Zopnight MCP. It's much faster and more natural way to manage the cloud infrastructure. In just few minutes, we have connected Zopnight MCP server to an AI assistant and started managing the cloud infrastructure. If you found this helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.